Hello everyone, welcome to Polished English. First of all, I wish all the children and their parents a very happy summer vacation. Today I am with the topic Summer Fun Engaging Activities for Kids. Most of the parents and children have a lot of questions how to spend their time in summer. So do not worry, dear parents and children. I have 10 cool activities for you and your children so that you both can enjoy your summer vacation happily. The first topic is nature exploration. Nature exploration offers a wealth of learning opportunities and adventure for children during the summer. Whether it's hiking through lush parks, camping under the stars, or embarking on nature walks to discover hidden treasures, these activities foster a deeper connection with the environment and ignite a sense of wonder and curiosity in young minds. Next, we have creative arts and crafts. Arts and crafts provide children with an outlet for self expression and imagination. From painting vibrant masterpieces to sculpting with clay and creating unique projects from recycled materials, these activities encourage innovation and problem solving skills while fostering a love for the arts. Next on the list, we have gardening. Gardening offers children a hands on experience with nature and teaches valuable lessons about responsibility and the environment. Whether it's planting colorful flowers, aromatic herbs, or nutritious vegetables, gardening provides opportunities for learning and growth while fostering a sense of pride in nurturing living things. Next activity is picnics and outdoor dining. So these activities offer the perfect opportunity to savor the joys of summer while enjoying delicious food in scenic surroundings. Whether it's packing a basket full of sandwiches, fruits, and snacks, or grilling up a feast at a barbecue, picnics bring families and friends together for memorable moments and quality time outdoors. Next, we have outdoor sports. This offers children the opportunity to stay active, develops physical skills, and foster teamwork and sportsmanship. Whether it's tossing a frisbee or riding bicycles or kicking the cans, these activities promote fitness, coordination, and social interaction among the children. The next activity is very interesting one, that is science experiments. Science experiments allow children to explore, discover, and learn through hands on experimentation. Whether it's creating explosive volcanic eruptions, concocting stretchy slime, or investigating the mysteries of water, these activities spark curiosity and ignite a passion for science among the young minds. Now we have cultural activities. Cultural activities provide children with opportunities to celebrate diversity, learn about different traditions, and explore various art forms from around the world. Whether it's whipping up exotic dishes, mastering rhythmic dance moves, or crafting intricate artworks, these experiences foster cultural awareness, appreciation, and creativity among the young minds. The next we have story time and outdoor reading. Story time and outdoor reading offer children the chance to escape into the magical worlds of books while enjoying the beauty of nature. Whether it's setting up a cozy reading corner in the backyard, sharing favorite stories with friends, or letting imagination soar with creative storytelling, these activities inspire a love for reading and ignite the spark of imagination among the children. Next activity is water play. Water play is the ultimate way to beat the summer heat and keep kids entertained for hours. From surfing the waves at the beach to refreshing dips in pools or lakes and the simple joy of running through sprinklers, these activities offer endless fun and laughter. But also we have to make sure that water should not be wasted. It has to be used consciously. Not the list, community service projects. This empowers children to make a positive impact on their surroundings and develop empathy and compassion for others. Whether it's cleaning up litter from beaches or roads, serving meals at shelters, or collecting donations for those in need, these activities teach valuable lessons about teamwork, responsibility, and social awareness. This also helps to create a meaningful change and build stronger, more caring communities in the future. As we have come to the end, we have to make sure that children's safety is considered. Enjoying the summer sun is fun, but staying safe and protecting the children from harmful UV rays is very important. Follow these sun safety tips to ensure a happy and healthy summer outdoors. Let's make sun safety a priority and enjoy the sun responsibly. The most important thing is that children should take a moment to reflect on the wonderful memories they have created and the joy they have experienced together. Although summer may come to a close, let them carry the spirit of summer with them throughout the year, embracing each moment with enthusiasm and gratitude. Let's keep the summer adventures alive in their hearts and minds, eagerly anticipating the excitement that awaits them in the seasons to come. Thank you for joining us on. We love your feedback. Share your thoughts and let us know what you thought of our presentation and any suggestions for improvement.